Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Golden Nugget Online Gaming, ticker symbol GNOG, and the day that it had today. So, pretty good day, numbers wise, up over 3.5% and climbed a little bit after hours as well, currently sitting right under 20 bucks. We're going to go over an article that was released today on GNOG. We're going to look at the charts, talk about key support and resistance levels, and where I see this stock moving forward. So, just to reiterate, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your due diligence and your own research before investing in a stock. Also, if you find value in today's video, hit the thumbs up button. It really helps grow the YouTube channel. And also, if you enjoy our content, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. That way, YouTube can let you know every time we release a new video. So let's dive right on into it. Okay, guys, so let's look at this article from my boys over at Investor Plays. If you watch some of our other videos, you know kind of how I feel about these guys here because they'll release a good article today. They'll probably release 5 bad articles on GNOG tomorrow. But this was a good one, so let's talk about it. It says, this is your golden opportunity. Buy Golden Nugget Online Gaming before it moves higher. These massive tailwinds could make GNOG stock double. So it goes on to talk about, the current prices are pretty attractive for GNOG at 1850. It says, I believe that the stock can double in the next year. Well, let's talk about the company's business and stock upside trigger. So Golden Nugget is a provider of online gaming in the United States. The company is focused on online casino and sports betting. For the first 9 months of fiscal year 2020, the company's reported revenues were 68.1 million, which was higher by 71% on a year-on-year basis. So that's pretty amazing. So with more states legalizing sports betting, the market inflection point is just around the corner. Recently, online sports Michigan online sports betting and iGaming went live with 10 authorized operators launching right from the start. Therefore, Golden Nugget does face competition from the likes of DraftKings and a couple of other, companies, which every business is going to have competition, right? Stellar growth will drive GNOG stock to the upside. So I'll kind of go down here. It says President Joe Biden has signed or signaled support for online gaming in the next 12 to 24 months. It's likely that online gambling and sports betting will be legalized throughout the country, providing a new source of revenue for cash-strapped states. As new markets open up, revenue growth is likely to accelerate. So that's a good sign as well. It says Golden Nugget continues to diversify. The company has a strong pipeline of new and exclusive games. As of reporting in June 2020, the company planned to launch 80 new games between 2020 and 2021. New content is likely to deliver incremental top line growth. So that's exciting, guys. This stock has kind of taken a beating over the past month, but it does have a lot of upside. So, a lot of people really and found these prices attractive at $20 or below. It's still a good buy now, in my opinion. So, if you haven't bought in yet, we'll look at the charts here in a second. Then he kind of goes on and says, my conclusion for Golden Nugget that, basically says my overall GNOG is an attractive stock at 1850. If we look at analyst recommendations, the company has a buy rating with a price target of $27. This would imply a potential upside of 46% from current levels. I am more optimistic. I see the stock doubling within the next 12 months. So even if it just hits the $27 range, I mean, holy cow, that's a huge return on your money right there. So these numbers, at the prices that it's going for right now is pretty attractive. And, if you've been on the fence about this stock and you haven't bought in yet, now might be a good time to at least start considering it. So let's look at the charts and see what they're telling us. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the charts here. So we hit a high of 2015 today, or 2015 today. So that's good. Have a little bit of momentum. Our volume is starting to pick up on the buying side of things as opposed to the selling, which is always a good sign. We have our support at 1886, our key resistance at 2104. So if you are looking to get into the stock, my opinion is to check this RSI down here. We are getting close to overvalued territory, which means I think would be due for a pullback. So if we get closer to that $21 level, I see us possibly getting rejected the first go round and having a slight pullback. So if you're looking to get in and you're scared of, you know, missing out, then maybe you don't have your funds in your account yet. Just be patient, because I think you might be able to get in again either in the 20s or the 19s before it really takes off. Okay, I see another little small pullback before we bust through that 2104 level. And then once we do that, your 2104 is going to act as support, and then our next key resistance will be 2374, which if we can bust through that, we'll be trading above that red SMA line, which would show a good sign of price strength, which is exactly what we want. So I do see it trading higher over the next couple of weeks and beyond in the next couple of months. Hopefully we can see some good numbers come out on their earnings, and also maybe some more states get legalized. That would really help push this stock in the right direction. So other than that, guys, like I said, if you found value in today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content. I will continue to keep you updated on this particular stock, as it is a hold for me until it reaches to or past that $30 level. So other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.